Welcome to MarielBeadsandBeyond. It's time for us to review the August Treasury bags from the Potomacbeads. These are all the materials that are going to be in the bags. We have a pack of 3 bead trays. These are really good when we need to pick up our beads. They become very handy. Amethyst 4mm icons. We have some 5mm check glass rounds. We have some wax line cord. I'm gonna try to make some bracelets. It's been a long time since I made like wrap bracelets. And these little flowers, they're so cute. I'm trying to decide if I want to make, I'm always making earrings, but I think they will be looking for the pretty earrings. But also I'm thinking like to design like a ring with these flowers. They sent us some check round 4mm, and they're lavender. I don't know if you noticed, but my favorite color is like purple lavender. We have some check petals, so these definitely will look nice like in a ring or either a pendant. We have some tiles. They have 2 holes. We also receive 2mm icons. These rose AB 4mm squares. I wish I had more time to bead. Unfortunately, my time is not that flexible anymore. We have some rondelles, 3x4s, and I love this sand opal color. They're beautiful. We also received these pinch beads. They check pinch beads. We have these check rounds, 4mm. We have these 2-hole pyramid beads, 12x12. And finally, we have these Miyuki seed beads, white pearl. So I think this box is really fun. So if you would like to have these beads, please don't forget to visit the Potomac Bead Company. I'm gonna try to be making a project really soon, hopefully by next week. These crystals are beautiful. The color is just perfect. I gotta make something with this. Until next time, thank you.